Hello students, I am Ranjana Khare again here with you with the next video of light. In my first video, I explained you many things related to spherical mirrors, how they are made, small definitions related to mirrors and properties of plane mirror and the image formation by concave and convex mirror. Everything I explained in the last video. Today's video is very important because it is based on sign convention. As we know, there are two types of mirror, concave and convex. So this sign convention is valid for both. Now before going into that, I would like to tell you what is U, V and F. U is known as distance of object from the mirror, V is called distance of image from the mirror and F is called focal length. Means the distance between pole and focus. Now the first sign convention is that all the distances in the direction of incident rays are taken positive and opposite to that are taken negative. Look at this figure. We always keep this object on left side and as we know the rays always start from object. So what will be the direction of incident rays? Left to right. It is very important to understand. Left to right is the direction of incident ray. Means those distances which are measured in the direction of left to right are taken positive and what is opposite to left to right? Right to left. So they will all be calculated as negative. This is the first sign convention. I will apply also this, then you will better understand. See, U is kept where? It is always kept on left side for real object. So it is always negative. Why? Because it is measured as right to left, which is opposite. So U is always negative. Just keep this thing in your mind. V is negative if the image is real and inverted. Means where the V is formed, image is formed on left side only. Opposite of that, if the image is formed on right side, then it becomes positive. And whenever V is positive, then you have to remember the type of image will be, the nature of image will be erect and virtual. So in this way, I will explain you all kinds of figures where we will apply these sign convention one by one. Now you can see from here that the focus, this is the concave mirror, this is a convex mirror. The focus of concave mirror lies on which side? Left. Hence PF is negative. PF means focal length. So this is negative. So remember this point. Similarly here, the focal length of convex mirror is positive. Why? Because focus lies on right side. Now it is clear? Now there is one important relation between small f and capital R. Small f we know now. What is this? Focal length. Capital R is the radius of curvature. The relation between these two is f is equal to capital R by 2. See, I have taken one small question also. If the radius of curvature is 20 cm, find focal length of mirror. See, given is R is equal to 20 cm. Then by applying this formula, f is equal to R by 2. This is 20 by 2 or 10 cm. So if in any question R is given, then we need to calculate f. Now there is one more very important relation between U, V, F, which is called mirror formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is a famous formula which is known as mirror formula and applicable for both kinds of mirrors, right? Let's apply this sign convention in all these figures. See, these figures we already done in the first video. Now let's discuss one by one. See, the first case is when the object is at infinity. Here, this kind of figure we get where the image is formed at focus and which is point size image. Means it is just like a point. इसका कोई size नहीं दिख रहा है आपको, सिर्फ point की तरह है ये. Now you can see from this figure that U, V, F all are lying on left side, beta. Left side. So they all are negative. And one more sign convention I am going to explain you, that is related to size of image and size of object. See, size of image is represented by H dash and size of object is represented by H. Now, according to sign convention, if anything is above the principal axis, then it is taken positive, and if it is lying below the principal axis, then it is taken negative. Now all sign conventions are complete. So now apply these all here in the second figure when the object is beyond C. In this case also, see, this is the object AB and the height of object is H. So it is positive because it is above principal axis. And UVF, where they are on the left side. So UVF all are negative, you can see. H is positive. Now let's talk about H dash. What should be the sign of H dash? It should be definitely negative because it is lying below the principal axis. So see, in this figure, I have applied all the sign convention. Similarly, you have to see each and every figure. The third one is when the object is at C. So we get this kind of image where the size of image is exactly equal to size of object. So H and H dash are same or equal in this case. Now, as you can see from the figure, U, V, F all are lying again on left side, hence they are negative. H is always positive because it is always kept vertically upward above the principal axis. So it will be always positive, it will be never negative. And H dash depends on situation. So here also, as it is below the principal axis, so we will take negative. Similarly, here in this diagram, see, fourth diagram, here again U, V, F all are negative. Why? Because they are on the left side. H is positive because it is above principal axis, and H dash is negative because it is below the principal axis. So they are same. In both the figures, sign convention are exactly same. Now the second last is when the object lies at F. See, when the object is at F, then image is formed at infinity. So again we can say U, V, F all are negative, H is positive and H dash will be negative. Now look at this sixth figure, which is different from others. See, in what way it is different? Because in this figure, only in this figure, the image is formed on right side, A dash, B dash. See, this is the object. The image is formed at right side, behind the mirror. So, U and F, because U is on left side, F is on left side, so they both are negative. But V is positive because it is on right side. And H and H dash both should be positive. Why it should be positive? Because both are lying, you can see from the figure, both are lying above the principal axis. So see how easy it is to apply the sign convention. Now there are two more figures of convex mirror also. Let's discuss these also. When the object is at infinity, then the image is formed at focus. And where is the focus of convex mirror? On right side. So F is always positive. V is also positive because image is formed at F. And U is negative since it is always placed on left side. Now this figure is very important of convex mirror, where the image is virtual and erect image is formed. See, AB is an object placed on left side, hence U is negative. Focal length is always positive, so F is positive. And image is also formed on right side, so V is also positive. Now look at the sign of H and H dash. H should be positive because it is above principal axis, and H dash should also be positive because it is also above the principal axis. Though it is smaller in size, but it is above the principal axis, hence the sign will be positive. Now, I am going to discuss the next very important term, magnification of mirror. Represented by small m, it is defined as the ratio of size of image to the size of object, or we can say it is the negative of distance of image to the distance of object. Hence, this is the formula: m is equal to minus v upon u is equal to minus h dash upon h. See, there is very important information related to the sign of m. These things you have to keep in mind. If m is positive, then always remember the image is erect. If m is negative, then the image is always inverted. Now, there is one more information regarding the value of m. See, if m is equal to 1, then the size of image is equal to size of object. See, if it is asked that what should be the size of object, then we can calculate the value of m. If it is coming 1, then they are equal as it is in this case. So for this case, you can say that value of m is 1. And if it is 1, that means we are talking about size of both. They are equal. Now if m is less than 1, then the size of image is smaller than object. Means the value of m can be 0.0, 0.67, 0.99, 0.89, 0.23, anything, but it should be less than 1. Now the third one is m is greater than 1, then the image is bigger than the object. So what we have learned from here, then just by comparing the value of m with 1, we can know about the size of the image, whether it is equal or smaller or bigger than the object. Hello students, I am now again with you with the next video, in which I am going to tell you or explain you the numericals based on sign convention. Actually, all the numericals of light, if sign convention is very much clear to you, then you can easily do it. Otherwise, this seems to be very difficult, right? So let's begin with this first question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of image. First of all, in every question we have to write given. Here u is minus 10 centimeter. As I told you, u is always on left side, hence it is negative. Since it is convex mirror, so what about the sign of f? F means focal length plus 15 centimeter. And find the position means we have to find v. So first you should be clear with the things what is given in the question. Now apply the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Which is this formula? This is a mirror formula. Now to solve this numerical, what I do, first I write right side, this side, and left side to this side. See, I have exchanged the sides. Now it will be quite easy for you to put the values and solve it. So 1 upon v, as we need v, so we will transfer u to right side. It will be 1 upon f minus 1 upon u, since it is going there. Now just put the value. It is 1 upon 15 minus, put the bracket. It is very important. 1 upon minus 10, because what is the value of u? Minus 10. Now this minus becomes plus. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10. Now we need to take the LCM here, as I have shown here. The LCM of 15 and 10 will come 30. Now solve it. It will be 2 plus 3 upon 30. So it is 5 by 30, or it is 1 by 6. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 6, means v is equal to 6 centimeter. Now by looking at the sign of v, we can easily calculate from here only that this is the image formed on right side of the image, right side of the mirror. Since it is right side of the mirror, so it is definitely a erect and virtual image. Since V is positive, hence it is on right hand side of the mirror, and hence image is virtual and erect. So we have checked our answer because it is a convex mirror, and in convex mirror the image is formed on the right side, so the sign of V should come positive. So in this way you can see that I have checked the answer also. So that is why theory should be clear to you. It is very important. Now come to the next numerical. I have taken one more numerical. Where an object should be placed. It is little different from the first one. In this we need to find out the object distance, means U. Concave mirror, so F is minus 20 centimeter. To obtain real image 2 times magnified, means here V is not given, but in place of V M is given. So in this way we have written all these things. M is given minus 2. Why we are taking minus 2? Because it is real image. As I have told you in the last video about the sign, importance of sign of M. If it is positive, means virtual image. If it is negative, means real. So that is why we are taking here minus 2. Now apply this formula, M is equal to minus V upon U. Put the value, minus 2 is equal to minus V upon U, or V is equal to 2U. Minus get cancelled. Now using mirror formula, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Again change the side. So we will get this. Now to calculate U, we need to send V on right hand side. So it will become negative. Now 1 upon U is equal to, put the values now. 1 upon minus 20 because F is minus 20. V is 2U. So just put the values only. Now we will collect U here, this side, on left side. Here it is minus 1 upon 2U. So it will come here and will become plus 1 upon 2U. Minus 1 upon 20 is left on right side. Now solve it. It is 1 plus 2 by 2U is equal to minus 1 by 20, or 3 upon 2U is equal to minus 1 by 20. 20 will get cancelled, so it will be minus 1 upon 10, and by cross multiplication we can get the value of U as minus 10 into 3 is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Again, after getting the answer, we have to discuss the answer. Here U is minus 30. So it is right or wrong? You have to decide here. You have to check here. Yes, it is right because U is coming negative. And U should definitely be negative because it is lying on left side of the mirror. So in this way we can check our answer. Now this is the third question where size of object is given and we have to calculate size of image and nature of image. See, placed at 20 centimeter in front of concave mirror. So first we will write given. Which mirror is given? Concave mirror. Right? Now size of object is 7. So H is equal to 7 centimeter. And placed at 20 centimeter in front means U is given minus 27 centimeter. Focal length, since it is concave, so it will be negative. Now at what distance from the mirror screen should be placed to get the image, sharp image? So we need to calculate V. And find the size, means we have to calculate H dash also. This is the question. Now by applying again mirror formula, or 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now we need to calculate V. So we will keep V on left side and transfer U. So after this we can put the value. It is 1 upon minus 18 minus 1 upon minus 27. See, be very careful while putting the value of U. it should be inside the bracket. So minus 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 27. Now we have to take again the LCM of 18 and 27, which is 54. Now solve it. It is minus 3 plus 2, or 1 upon b is equal to minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1, or v is equal to minus 54 centimeter. Is it clear? Now why it is, again discuss this answer also. It is minus 54 centimeter, that means it is lying on left side, which is true for concave mirror. And which type of image is this? Real and inverted. Now let's calculate the size of image. For that we will apply formula minus v upon u is equal to h dash upon h. Minus sign will be here, put the bracket again. Minus 54 upon minus 27 is equal to h dash upon 7. Right? I have just put the values. Minus minus get cancelled. 27 2 ja. So it is minus 2 is equal to h dash upon 7, or h dash is equal to minus 2 into 7. So it is minus 14 centimeter. Now as I have discussed this answer, we need to discuss this also. H dash value is coming minus 14 centimeter. So what does it indicate? Actually it indicates that it is lying below the principal axis, because according to sign convention, if anything is minus, negative, then it is lying below the principal axis, and if it is positive, then it is lying above the principal axis, like this. This is plus, this is minus. So it is correct, because real and inverted image, see the sign of V, minus 54 centimeters. So real and inverted image is always formed below the principal axis. So hence we have checked our answer, both the answers. So now you have understood how I have applied all the sign conventions and how easily we can solve our numerical without any mistake. So practice these numericals. I have given you many numericals in assignment also. Solve that assignment. I will tell your problems. In this question, an object 5 centimeter in length means height of object is given 5 centimeter, and as we know that object is always kept above the principal axis, so it will be plus 5 centimeter. And object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter, so it will be negative. Why? Because object is always kept on left side, so it will be negative. Now here this is different little bit. It is given R, means radius of curvature of mirror is 30 centimeter. Why I am taking here plus 30? Because it is a convex mirror. So convex mirror, since it has focus and radius of curvature both on right side, so it is positive. Now if R is given, then we need to calculate F. So just by this simple formula we can add F is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we have to find position of image and its nature, size. For position we need to calculate V. V gives the position of image, and for size we can calculate H dash. Now using mirror formula again, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. We will change the sides. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now we have to calculate V, so we will transfer U on right side. So it is 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Now after transferring we will just put the values. So 1 upon 15 minus, always put bracket before placing the value of U. So it is 1 upon minus 20 inside the bracket. Now this minus will become plus. Now solve it through LCM. So it will come 35 by 300, or V is equal to 300 by 35. Cancel both the terms by 5. So it will come 60 by 7, or it is 8.6 centimeter. Now look at the sign of V. V is coming positive, which is true because it is a convex mirror. And in convex mirror, since the image is formed on right side of the mirror, so it should be positive. So by mistake, if it is coming negative, then check your answer, check your calculation. Since in this question it is coming positive, so it's right. Now if it is positive, then we can imagine which type of image is this. It should be virtual and erect. So this is the nature of image. Now to calculate the size of image, we will apply this formula h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. Just put the values again. H dash upon 5 is equal to minus in outside the bracket. Then again put a bracket and place the values. V is 60 by 7 into minus 20 is u. See, when you are using the value of V, always use fraction value. Do not use decimal value. It will unnecessarily increase your calculation and it may be wrong also. So just better to keep the fraction part. So 60 by 7 into minus 20, minus minus will become plus and this will cancel. So it will come 3 by 7. Now to calculate h dash, 5 will be multiplied by 3. So 5 into 3 by 7 is equal to 15 by 7 is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Again, we can verify our answer as h dash is positive. That means it is again where it is above the principal axis. And which image is formed above the principal axis? Virtual and erect. So both the answers are same. That means it is also matching with the convex mirror properties. So this question is 100% correct. Now this is the second question, which is very small. An object is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter. So u is minus 12 centimeter and it forms real image 4 times larger. So m is equal to minus 4. Why I am writing here minus 4? Because it is real. For real image, m is always negative and we have to calculate v. Now apply just this small formula, m is equal to minus v upon u. Put the values. So this minus minus sign will get cancelled. It will come v upon 12. Now by cross multiplication we can find the value of v, which will come minus 48 centimeter. Again discuss this answer. It is minus 48 centimeter. That means the image is formed on which side? Left side. And as it is given in the question that real image, that means it should definitely be on left side. That is why this answer is also correct. Now this is another question. It seems to be difficult, but it is not at all difficult. The real image 1/5 the size of object means m is given minus 1 by 5. Why? Because it is again given real image. And v is minus. Why I am taking minus 18? Because real image is formed on which side? Left side. And left side distances are negative. And we have to find here focal length and nature of image. Now apply this formula. Make use of this value of m. It is m is equal to minus v upon u. Just put all the values. Minus minus will get cancelled. So it will come 18 by u. Then u is equal to minus 5 into 18 is equal to minus 90 centimeter. Now we have calculated value of u, but still one more value, focal length, f, we need to calculate. So just apply here mirror formula. First you have to write always formula. This is also very important point in solving all the numericals. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Put the values. 1 upon minus 18 plus, again whenever we put the value of u, we put bracket. Then plus minus becomes minus. Take the LCM. It will come minus 6 upon 90 is equal to 1 by 15. So 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon 15. And finally f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Since focal length is coming negative, so which type of mirror should be? It should be concave mirror. So see, by applying sign convention and knowing all the details, all the concepts, we can easily check our answer in every question. So take care of this. Thank you.